Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. As a general rule, it is considered the interior of a country house is an artistically designed space. However, each owner of a country garden plot presents the interior of a country house in his own way based on personal desires. Someone makes most of the garden, leaving only a small corner for the grill and gazebos. Someone turns the whole area into a place of rest with a green lawn and beautiful bright flowers. Work plan development. Creating an ergonomic interior of a country house, you need to determine the following points. What part of the garden plot is the most sunny? Which one is in the shade? It depends on where it is better to plant certain flowers. Some varieties like shade, others like the sun. Where to put a gazebo or, for example, set up a small playground. What cannot be refused? Initially, you want to build a country house, 2 sheds, a bathhouse, a gazebo, and a garage. Rarely desires coincides with the size of summer cottages, so it's worth deciding what cannot be abandoned, how to place it, taking into account the climatic factors that affect the zones of summer cottages. Do you need a garden? A country house from a place where people came to plant vegetables imperceptibly turned into a holiday home. If a decision is made, a garden is not needed, excellent, more flowers and green lawn. How do you look these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.